The housing market is changing, fast. For years, prices have been going up, and up. It's a problem that's been brewing for a long time. People need affordable options, sustainable options, innovative options. Enter AC Future. AC Future is a company with a vision. They see a future where technology meets sustainability to create a new kind of home. Not just any home, a home that can transform. They call them AI transformer homes. Catchy, right? These aren't your grandma's houses. They're sleek, modern, and packed with AI. We're talking about homes that can expand with the push of a button. Homes that can learn your habits and adjust accordingly. Homes that are designed to be both affordable and eco-friendly. AC Future is offering three main types of AI transformer homes. The AI Thu, a tiny home, the AI THD, a futuristic RV, and the AI T8, a transforming trailer. Each one is designed to meet different needs and budgets, but they all share one thing in common. They're shaking up the housing market in a big way. Let's take a closer look. Tiny homes are all the rage these days, and for good reason. They're affordable, sustainable, and perfect for minimalist living. But AC Future is taking the tiny home concept to a whole new level with the AI Thu. Imagine this, a tiny home that can expand to 4 times its size. That's what the AI Thu offers. In its compact form, it's a cozy 195 square feet, perfect for a single person or a couple. But what if you need more space? No problem. With the touch of a button, the AI Thu expands outward on all 4 sides, transforming into a spacious 400 square foot dwelling. That's enough room for a family or even a home office. And the best part? The AI Thu starts at just $98,000. That's significantly cheaper than the median home price in most cities. But the AI Thu isn't just about affordability and space, it's also packed with smart features. The built-in AI controls everything from heating and cooling to lighting and security. It even manages your internet and appliances. Talk about a smart home. It's no wonder the AI Thu is generating a lot of buzz. AC Future has already received over 300 pre-orders for the tiny home, with deliveries expected to begin in late 2026. It seems like the future of housing is tiny and smart. For those who crave adventure, AC Future has created the AI TH. This futuristic RV takes the best features of the AI Thu and puts them on wheels. Imagine cruising down the open road in a home that can expand at a moment's notice. Like its stationary sibling, the AI THD starts out as a compact 195 square foot haven. But when you're ready to set up camp, it transforms into a spacious 400 square foot home away from home. The AI THD expands on 3 sides, giving you plenty of room to stretch out and relax. And don't think for a second that this RV skimps on style or comfort. The interior is sleek and modern, with all the amenities you'd expect in a high-end home. Plus, you have the option of choosing between an EV or diesel engine, depending on your needs and preferences. The AI THD made its grand debut at CES 2025, where it was met with overwhelmingly positive reception. People were blown away by its innovative design, its smart features, and its potential to revolutionize the way we travel and live. While pricing has yet to be announced, it's safe to say that the AI THD is going to be a game changer in the world of recreational vehicles. Section 4, AI That Your Home on the Move. Not everyone wants a tiny home or a full-blown RV. For those who prefer something in between, AC Future offers the AI That. This transforming trailer provides the perfect blend of flexibility and functionality. The AI T8 is a 24-foot trailer that can expand to 38 feet, providing up to 400 square feet of living space. That's right, you can double your living space with the push of a button. Imagine the possibilities. With its aerodynamic exterior, the AI T8 is designed for efficient towing. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this trailer will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. And when you reach your destination, you can easily transform it into a spacious and comfortable home. While the exact pricing for the AI T8 has yet to be released, AC Future is currently accepting $100 deposits to secure your spot in line. Given the interest in their other AI transformer homes, it's safe to assume that the AI T8 will be in high demand. Section 5. Transforming the Future of Housing. AC Future's AI Transformer. Homes are more than just cool gadgets. They represent a paradigm shift in the way we think about housing. In a world facing a housing crisis, these innovative homes offer a beacon of hope. They're affordable, sustainable, and adaptable to a variety of lifestyles. Imagine a future where AI transformer homes are commonplace. A future where affordable housing is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality. A future where people have the freedom to live and work wherever they choose, without being tied down by the high cost of living. The future of housing is here, and it's transforming right before our eyes. AC Future is leading the charge with their AI transformer homes, proving that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand to create a better world. So buckle up and get ready for the ride. The future of housing is going to be an exciting one.